Well, this is definitely some driving with the windows down weather, at least into the afternoons. It's a chilly prospect this morning, but our 21C Museum Hotel WeatherBug camera downtown Lexington and our St. Joseph Hospital camera showing that sky starting to light up. A beautiful sunrise out there this morning. In the Max Track No Precipitation 2 track until, of course, you get to the upcoming weekend. That's when our active weather will hit. So the storm track across the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes, at least for the time being. There are still active river flood warnings out that run down the Ohio all the way back into western Kentucky. Of course, the remnant of all that runoff from our historic late February flooding. We've got a heavy rain aspect to what's coming for the upcoming weekend, but it will be in a different location, which is good for us, not so much for folks out west. Notice this approaching low. Yeah, that's snow up towards parts of the Pacific Northwest. There's a wave of low pressure firing up in the mountains and the Rockies there. And we will see this front approaching and then stalling off to the west, at least trying to stall out. So the axis to the heaviest rain for the upcoming weekend, we're going to be kind of on the eastern edge of it. This is showing projected rainfall over the next 7 days, with, of course, the bulk of it coming late in the weekend. And notice how the bullseye is back across Missouri, Kansas, and then extending east out towards Indiana here. If you look at these color contours, this is an indication of about 1 to 2 inches of rain, and then you ramp it up to 3 inches to up around half a foot as you head west. With our last round of really heavy rain, that 6 to 7 inch rain that we saw into our southeastern counties that inundated them, it was more set up south and east. And here you can see our 30-day percentage of normal rainfall. That's where the bullseye is. So yeah, we'll catch some heavier rain over the weekend, but it looks like the worst of it could stay off to our west. Of course, that's still days away. This is just kind of the heads up phase right now. It's 39 degrees in Lexington, our high, our average 53 today. Look what we're doing. Upper 60s to low 70s. That's what we usually see around late April, early May for the average high. So this is well above schedule as far as this warmth is concerned. And then the cold front, the showers and everything are going to serve to tank the temperatures into the weekend. Yeah, that's a high barely getting close to 50 Sunday. So there will be some changes ahead. And this shows the departure from normal, that potentially even near record bubble. Our record highs are in the upper 70s the next 3 days. We're not going to quite get there. But they may get close to record highs across the Great Lakes there. And then you can see those cooler temperatures filtering in later in the weekend. So get out and soak this up. Upper 60s today, mostly to partly sunny, breezy and warm. Tonight, low 40s, partly cloudy, cool and dry. Tomorrow, another keeper. A little warmer, pushing 70, if not hitting it, exceeding it down south. And then we'll peak around the low 70s Thursday, but we'll see increasing cloud cover, a few late day showers, I should say. And then likely rain Friday. That'll taper off late Saturday. Could get cold enough Saturday night, though, as we spring forward early Sunday morning. Possibly even a few rain and snow showers mixed in there. That'll be the tail end of that wave with another round of showers, even some storms firing up into early next week.